Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to the 10th annual Rutherglen Classic Car Show here in Sarnia, Ontario. I pretty much covered it all. Let's take you there. No, did I not?
Yeah, this is a great show, and actually it's another charity event, and all the money for this one goes to the Salvation Army, so it's a good cause.
It's not very often we nail the intro on the first time, so yes!
From Sarnia, Ontario.
A little bit of fog this morning, but a little bit of fog won't keep the people away, so let's take you there. Check it out, I parked next to an R8. V10 R8 gated shifter. This one's for you, Quentin.
Nice change. Ticket number 113, Frank Harris. Ticket number ticket number 81, Wayne Bell. Ticket number 204, Jeff Rothrock.
Woo!
Hi.
Hello, ticket number 204. Trying to figure out how it works.
204.
And then just meant to appear, guys, you want to appear drag for 2.5
Number one.
Back table right there.
Right here.
To there.
To there.
Okay.
Okay.
We get to just pick anything?
Anything on this table.
If you got it.
We chose wisely. Oh yeah. You like Scotch whiskey? Careful now.
I don't know if I do or not. We'll find out, I guess.
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari. Also forgot to mention we have the drone here with us. If fog ever clears up, we're gonna get that thing up in the air. So stick around. Okay, so the fog never cleared. We never got the drone up in the air. And, well, we're getting out of here, so.
It was a good turnout, though, and we won some booze.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
Scotch whiskey.
pretty awesome.
Never a bad time to start drinking Scotch whiskey. Anyways, we thank you for watching.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Ticket number 11, ticket number 202.
Meep, meep.